Hi there, everybody. Remember the leftover ribs I had from yesterday? Well, I didn't use them all in my Rick rib sandwiches. Remember that? I made them in pressure cooker. Well, today I'm gonna do some air fry, shake and bake rib strips. I'm gonna take the ribs I have left, boneless ribs. I'm gonna cut them in strips, and we'll shake and bake them and put them in the air fryer. How's that sound? That sounds good to me. Alright, let me start cutting these up into strips. This is easy. Look at, wow, they're gonna be good. Imagine that, shake and baked. Remember shake and bake? Or you can make little nuggets out of them, huh? Shake and bake rib nuggets. You could also do this with a pork chop if you happen to have one laying around. Look at this. That's a sharp knife. There we go. Easy so far. Yep. You like it. Let's open a box of shake and bake. Remember shake and bake? This is for chicken, but it's going to be just as good. You know that. Comes with a bag. Chicken with a bag. Oh yeah. Shake and bake. Open the bag up. Let's put our extra crispy coating mix in there first. Instead of moistening these like I would do with chicken legs or something, I'm going to spray them with olive oil spray. How's that? Healthy! Just a little spray. You don't need any of this, but I would like the coating to stick as good as it possibly can. Okay. And put them in. Before I get too messy, let me open this drawer up. Okay. About 2 or 3 in at a time. Oh! Oh, man. Shake and bake rib strips. See? Let's lay them down there neatly. As neat as we can be. I'll show you inside in a minute. Shake up the rest of them. I have a lot of leftover coating in there. Take a peek. Peekaboo. Ooh, yes. There we are. There we are. Like and bite. And I help. Right, Mama? Right back. See? That's it. It's gonna be good. So good. I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna use manual. See, all right? I know I'm crooked. What's going on here? I'm gonna pick manual. For my temperature, I want to go 380. 380, and I'm gonna go 14 minutes. And in 7 minutes, I'm gonna flip them over. And I might even dip them in some Sweet Baby Ray's in a bowl, maybe. Okay? Big good sandwich too, wouldn't it? Can't wait to taste these. It's been 7 minutes on one side. I didn't open it yet. I'm gonna open it now. Oh! Oh, look what happened to yours. That's okay. Here, the sizzle. No, I don't know which side was the right side up. They stayed in the pan. Oh, good for me. Anyway, that happens. That does happen. Okay, oh, I know these are going to be good though. Always be careful. Always have enough counter space. You know I did that before too. Cooking live as it happens. Previously recorded. Hey, another 7. See? Going back in. Hold on there now. Meantime, I am going to dump out some of this Sweet Baby Ray's into the bowl because I think I'm going to like it like that. That's enough. I'll try it with. While we're waiting, we got another 6 minutes left. I want to mention I found a new friend on YouTube named Diana Willett. She cooks and reviews with these meals that you get in the mail, like Let's Cook and Blue Apron, I think it was. Anyway, check her channel out. She's just starting out, and we know what that's like. So give her a visit and subscribe and see what she got going there. We'll be back in 6 minutes now. It's going to be good for me. Ooh, yeah. Time's up. We're in the cool down mode here. Here we go. Gonna look at it now. How's it going to be? Hold on to your drawer this time. Oh, what do you think? I guess if I did dip it in water and get it real wet and put the shake and bake on, it'd be more crunchy, maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna taste one. Taste one. Taste this one. Ooh, should I let it cool down? Take a taste with no sauce. Oh. 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 Everybody into the bowl. Oh, that's so delicious. Boneless rib meat. Shake and bake, air fry. And that little morsel for you. Want the hunk on that one? There we go. Alright. Where's that piece of taste? I'll dip it in the sauce. Wow. Oh, so good. Sweet Baby Ray's. Oh, that is Hawaiian flavor of Sweet Baby Ray's. You definitely have to give this a try. So easy. Get some shake and bake or use your own breading. Cut some ribs or some pork chops into strips or nuggets, right? Give me some nice rib nuggets there. Ooh. Oh, oh, hot. So delicious. Thanks for watching, everybody. Try that. Please subscribe. Stop back soon. Have a great day.